Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making some soup, chicken foot, chicken back, and chicken neck soup. And I'm going to put, right now I'm going to put my chicken foot and stuff in. Okay. All right. And a little corn. Okay. In the boiling water. Okay, there you go. All right. Now I'm going to cover the pot. Okay, keep it boiling. Okay. Now, guys, I'm about to put in my carrots, pumpkin, vegetable just to make for the soup. There you are.
So what's the name of the soup?
Chicken back, chicken foot soup, pumpkin soup.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I put the vegetable in. Okay. Another oil. Okay. Yes, I'm putting in my ground provisions now. A few dumplings in the pot. That's all. Making a few dumplings for the soup pot.
What do you call these kind of dumplings?
Little spinners. Little spinners. It's almost ready. Almost ready. Okay, I'm going to get the seasoning in the pot now. Need the seasoning in the pot. Tasting the soup. It's ready. That's it.
How is it?
Very good. Nice soup.